Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Our today's topic is venous system of frog. So what are veins? Veins are the blood vessels which carry deoxygenated blood towards the heart, except the pulmonary heart vein which contains oxygenated blood. So venous system is a set of blood vessels called veins which bring the blood from all the parts of the body towards heart. The venous system consists of three major components, which are pulmonary vein, precaval veins. There are two precavals, also called anterior vena cava, and third is postcaval vein, which is also called posterior vena cava. At first we have pulmonary vein. The oxygenated blood from the lungs is collected by pulmonary veins which bring it to the left auricle of the heart. Students, we have already discussed this thing in circulatory system. Then we have precaval veins which are encircled in the given diagram. The deoxygenated blood from head and forelimbs is collected through several veins which join together to form one major precaval vein on each side. Each side means left side and right side. In the given diagram, postcaval vein is encircled. Blood from all the lower parts of the body such as stomach, intestine, liver, pancreas, genital organ, muscles, hind limbs is collected through veins which join together and form one major vein called postcaval. Both the precavals and postcaval open into sinus venosus, from where the blood is pumped into the right auricle of the heart. This is the diagram of venous system of frog. In this diagram, pulmonary vein is encircled. This vein collects oxygenated blood from lungs and drains into the left auricle. Then postcaval is also encircled, which collects the deoxygenated blood from all the lower parts of the body. Students, you can also see the hepatic portal vein which collects the deoxygenated blood from digestive system, and renal portal vein which collects the deoxygenated blood from kidney. And abdominal vein is also there, which collects the deoxygenated blood from abdominal region. Students, the functioning of these veins will be discussed in our next topic, the portal system. With this, we are done with venous system of frog. Allah Hafiz.